Satellite observations offer a great approach to investigate the features of major marine parameters, including sea surface chlorophyll and temperature, sea surface height, and the factors derived from these parameters, such like fronts.
Our study shows how to use satellite observations to describe major parameters and their relationships. Satellite datasets from 2002 to 2017 were used to describe the surface features of the South China Sea.
The satellite observation of chlorophyll is selected as an indicator factor, which is used to represent ocean production. Factors related to chlorophyll variability were investigated using monthly averaged time series.
The method can be applied to other global oceans and will be helpful for understanding marine dynamics and ecosystem.
We show a step-by-step procedure for acquiring satellite data of different parameters, describing their spatial and temporal variabilities and determining interrelationships among different factors.
Spatial and temporal variabilities of parameters are obtained via empirical orthogonal function, and the interrelationship among different factors are acquired by calculating their correlation coefficients.
For sea surface temperature and sea surface chlorophyll data acquisition, download a dataset of satellite observations from Modus Aqua, for which the spatial resolution of both datasets is roughly 4.5 kilometers at daily intervals. Store the download